What's up, bitch? It's your boy, Callus, and today I'm bringing back a nostalgic game called Ratchet Clank. This game is gonna be my main series on my channel. I'm not playing it for views necessarily. I'm playing it because I enjoy the game and it's very nostalgic for me, and I want to see if I can get that childhood back. We will be playing this game on normal, and then maybe we can go back and play it on hard, maybe. Fuck it, I'll play it on hard. Okay. Am I a fucking engineer and a superhero? I'm learning how to fucking get on a crank. No.
Come on, give it a spin.
Oh. Okay, fat ass. Wait, that is all I had to do, you stupid fat bitch. You really couldn't do that yourself? Fucking push a button and look at the fucking lights to see if the ship works? Waste my fucking time. Oh shit, it's a bigger world than I remember it is, man. I forgot all about the narrator, man. That's so nostalgic. Oh shit, I'm going the wrong way. Am I? Oh yeah, I was. Oh shit, I'm a fucking idiot, bro. 3 out of 5. Okay. Oh, that double jump. I really had it. I just kind of took that risk. I didn't know whether or not I was going to land it or not. What the fuck is that buzzing noise? Oh shit, they're beating my ass. They almost killed me. I am not going to lie. I think they almost killed me. I can't really. Yeah, they did. You could just run into the event like this.
Show us how quick you can be on your feet by jumping over these obstacles.
Oh, dummy. Oh, I'm still a dummy. I'm still an idiot.
Always mindful of their surroundings.
Yeah, thanks, bitch. Yeah, I am the recruit. Yeah, this course was specifically designed for Ratchet. Get off my nuts. Oh, I can throw my shit? They didn't teach me that shit. What the fuck? Oh, I put circle to do it. Okay, they really don't show you your fucking buttons, do they? Alright, alright.
You can do this.
Alright then. Whoever's the boss, get down here, bro. It's about to be over, bro. I am not gonna die one time on this. I promise you. I love these bombs, bro. I don't even want to fight. I just love these bombs. These are the best things in the game. What the fuck, bitch? Bink! Come see me after the show. Alright, cool, man. Ratchet Clank, man. So a lot of big and bullshit just happened, but I do get to play as Clank now. So we are about to do this shit. Escape the factory, Clank. Let's do this shit. Oh, that was weird. This angle is fucking getting to me. Wow, they just have bombs laying around for people to just throw at walls and shit, you know, just in case you want to escape.
Ultimate.
Damn, big ass Megatron, big ass. Oh, god damn. Oh. Hell! They have so much fun with crushing defective robots. They're really willing to crush their entire factory. Yeah, what the fuck? Oh shit! Oh! What the fuck?
Get back here and let's settle this.
No, I don't want to settle shit, man. Is somebody out there? Uh-oh. Yeah, water, bitch. You never took a shower before, huh? Oh, that's right, because you're a robot. I'm an idiot. Alright, I escaped. It's over, man. Oh, huh? He came from the sky this time. Man, I really love Clank's fucking butler voice. Yeah, man. Come on, you can't touch me with your big ass feet. Huh? That was my first time dying. First time dying. Oh shit. Uh-oh. One more slice and it's over for me, bro. Will I be able to make it, bro? First death, first time dying. It was my first time. See, me and Clank just got united. I'm sorry you guys couldn't see the cutscene. It's not me, it's the PS4. But we just got reunited. Oh, well, not reunited, but united. I named him Clank. Tony, wait a minute. Wait a fucking minute, man. Before you even think about. Okay, man, this game is actually not disappointing me at all. But I never expected it to. I never expected it to. I didn't mean to do that shit. All right, here we go. What the fuck?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Copy that, Ratchet.
I got shot in my fucking heart, dude. What the fuck is going on? Dip game. Huh, huh, huh. All right then, that was all of them. Cool. What the fuck are you looking at? What the hell? What?
Ultimate.
I'm telling you, bro, these grenades are the best weapon in the fucking game, bro. Fuck all that other shit, bro. Fuck all of it. Oh, hell no. Let's go, bro. I gotta go Ultra Instinct on you motherfuckers. Ultra Instinct. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh no. You die today, bitch. If you shoot these people, they don't die. If you hit them with a ratchet once, they're fucking done for. So I have to Ultra Instinct my way over here. Oh, never mind. Never mind. It takes more than one hit. It takes more than one hit. What the fuck, bro? That fucking ship. Look at that, bro. What the fuck am I supposed to do about that? He figured out what to do about me, though. All right, fuck all that drop shit.
I'm down in the shelter. Ratchet, this place is a mess.
The fuck am I supposed to do about that fucking shit right now? I'm just not getting it yet.
Yeah, sorry about that. Got held up on a project.
A beginner's guide to quantum burst engines.
Just throw that anywhere. I have it bookmarked.
What's this? Fun with singularities and other cataclysmic events.
That's really more for education. No purposes.
It is always good to meet a fellow academic.
Really, I just look at the pictures and then, you know, wing it.
Mission complete.
What the fuck, bro? I got lost on what the fuck Ratchet said. Sound like he was talking about masturbating, but you know, I think that's I'm tripping. Am I supposed to hurry up and beat their ass before that drop shit comes back? Hurry up! Hurry up!
Four bots.
The what the what the I was shooting the fuck out of that ship. Oh, I fucking did it. I fucking did it, bro. Oh, wait, no, I didn't. Oh, I did. Take this, you stupid bitch. It's time to finish off the rest. I fucking love these bombs, bro.
All right, Grim.
These fucking bombs are the best things in the game. No fucking joke.
Sony's name just exploded.
Sorry about that, Grim. Listen, get my tools ready.
Get my tools ready. Get my tools ready. Get my fucking tools ready. Get my tools ready.
Come on, let's get these fixed.
No, get my fucking tools ready, you fat bitch. Welcome to Novalis, everybody. This is the new level that we are on. Where to next, motherfucker?